Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is the second video that I'm doing that is in reference to the Ipsy Glam bag that I just received. My add-ons were inside that bag. We already did the video in reference to what we got in the Glam bag. It was a fantastic one. So if you haven't seen that, make sure to go to my video section and you'll see all my most recent videos there. We are pretty good at uploading almost every single day, so I really hope that you guys are subscribed and you get notified, because I always have so much to be able to share. All right, so on this one here, what ended up happening, where there were a couple of add-ons that I really wanted. One you will see and you'll say, oh, of course she got that. But the other one is something that as a brand that I've been really impressed with, and I just never had a chance to try their eyeshadow palettes. So that is where this started. But then I decided that once I was filling up the bag, I would make sure, because I wasn't sure if there was going to be an additional fee, you know, that sometimes they add on, but they didn't. Because it comes in the bag, they don't put that extra handling fee on it. So I ended up with 4 items, and let me go through them with you. So the first one was an item that is a brand that's really getting a lot of I'm seeing it more and more. It's now available also at Target. But the price point of it isn't Drugstore. It's a little bit higher than that. So I decided I was going to try in the $3.50 section, because now that $3 section has turned into $3.50. So all of this costs me $14 plus the 98 cents tax in Florida. So this is all about, you know, just under $15. So this is what the first item is, and it's called the Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer, and I got it in the shade Fair. And they're saying this is a deluxe sample size. It's a 3 ml. I'm hoping it's really concentrated like the one from Cosmetics, because that one, the deluxe sample size of that is really small too. And it was in my travel bag for I don't think I ever took it out. That's how much I was able to get out of that little tube. So this one says this is truly perfect concealer for using around your eyes. It is a full coverage formula that diffuses shadows and hides discoloration. Plus it helps smooth uneven texture and plump fine lines with the vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and collagen. It says if you warm a small amount between your fingertips and then gently tap it around your eyes, it sounds very similar to the Cosmetics. It's paraben free and 100% cruelty free. And they're saying about this brand, it's saying it's a luxurious yet accessible. Winky Luxe offers a range of innovative, high-quality products with clean and kind ingredients, all designed to deliver real results. So what I do is I open up everything from the packaging, if there's any excess packaging on anything, and I take a picture from my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, I really hope that you do. We share a lot of information there outside of what I'm able to share on YouTube. But it's also great because you also get to see the other things that I'm doing, and it's free there. Also, my name on Instagram is True Wants with the number 2. So let's open her up and see what this is all about. So it's got one of those little pointy, I also did a video earlier today where there was a duo eyeshadow in there. And when I went to wash my hands to take off this gorgeous foil color that we swatched, and I also have it sitting in my gifts for later. So I just want to make sure that you know that if you see any shimmers on this hand, no matter how much I washed, it still looks like the shimmers are still on there. So if you see this beautiful glimmering hand, that's what you're seeing on my hands right here. It is not coming from any of the products that we're doing right now. So they're saying you take a little bit and then you take it on your fingertip, and then you're able to, very similar to eye cream, tap between the 2 fingers, and then you're able to use that. This is very concentrated, and it is also really full coverage. Really, and it feels really moisturized. So what I'll do is I will play with this, learn about it, and then that's what I love the $3.50 section about, is that when this becomes available in the full size, I'll be able to either access it through where it's available or in the choice items in my plus. So very excited about that. But like it said, it's very concentrated, so don't worry if you got a little guy like that. The next item is also one that I knew was going to be a little sample size, but this brand I've been hearing about for so many years and in a lot of the beauty magazines that I read. So when I saw this brand available, I could not wait to try it. The brand is called Erborian. I'm going to pronounce it Erborian. They're saying it is a CC Cream Radiance Color Corrector Broad Spectrum with SPF 25 in the color Dore. And what I did was I went on the website of the brand. There were a couple of shades, and the shade that I thought would be my best match was this shade that was available. And like I said, it's called Dore, D-O-R-E. This is a deluxe sample size. It comes in this box with all the ingredients, all the information, all of the it tells you where to go for more information, warnings, directions, all of that is on this carton. And then inside, this is the guy inside. It is a CC cream, and they're saying it's ideal for creating light coverage with a radiant finish. A few drops of this multitasking CC creams gives your skin a natural glow with protecting it from sun damage because of the SPF 25. It says it's a minimizing dryness and redness with this centella extract. They're saying if you apply a pea-size amount to your cleansed and moisturized skin and then blend using your fingertips. So again, very concentrated if they're telling you to use a pea size. It says as soon as you begin to blend it into your skin, the light pigments will transform to match your skin tone for a more even looking complexion. The bonus, it says you can use this alone or as a base for makeup. They're saying about this brand, it aims to bring you a unique and easy to use products like their iconic BB cream that promises to always put your skin first. BB creams for me have always been a staple. I like BB creams usually over CC creams simply because I'm a combo girl, and I find BB creams, even now the new one size one looks so similar to me to the BB cream that I've been using for more than 20 years from Tarte. That has been a staple in my my arsenal, and for the longest time it was all I was using was that BB cream, and then I would top it off with the powder foundation from IT Cosmetics. So this is their CC cream, and I find CC creams are types that have more hydration to it. They're usually a little bit lighter coverage. The color correcting is what the CC stands for. So let's take a little bit out on here, and we'll take also just a small amount. So it does, it comes out white. I had another product, it was a Korean product, and I'm trying to remember the name, and I think it started with an M. I'm going blank right now with that. And then I used it, and it also came out, but theirs was a BB cream, and it came out white. And then what it does is as you blend it into your skin, it then changes to the color and almost mimics your skin tone. So there you go. It will always look a little bit darker on my hand because when I place I find when I place foundations on my hand and they look too dark and yet I put them on my skin, it seems to work out perfectly. So that is the color Dore there. So remember, it comes out white, and then as you rub it in, it then changes to the color, and I guess takes also a little bit of the pigmentation from your skin into it as well. So their most talked about is a BB cream that I have read all about, and it is like their #1 seller. So I'm excited to see what this CC cream is all about, because this is my way of introducing myself to this brand. Now we're going to get into what started this whole order together, and it was this brand, Tresluce Beauty. This is a brand that's also an Ipsy brand in the sense that another company that Ipsy has as a manufacturing facility, and is called Made It Collective. And they have started partnering up with these groups that make these type of products. So far, I know of 3 of them, and all of them to me have been absolute winners, so much so that they're even now being sold in Sephora's and ULTA's and things like that. So I really feel this group that came together to work with this manufacturing facility that is also sister to the whole Ipsy world have been making and learned so much about what is in the industry from the luxury brands, and then giving us the same quality in the packaging as the luxury brands, as well as the ingredients that they're using and the performance of their products, I find have been on par with some of my higher end makeup that I use. So the other brands that are under this umbrella is Complex Culture, if you're familiar. Tresluce is partnered with a girl who is a celebrity, as well as Item Beauty. And I have been impressed with a few products that I've had the opportunity to try, but anytime there was a choice, I wasn't getting the choice of the shadows, and I really wanted to try their shadows. So when I saw them in the $3.50 section and the colors spoke to me, which are the ones that are on the back here, I decided I'd give it a whirl. So it comes in this full box here, retail box. It's called Resilient Alma. That is the one that I chose for myself. And what it's written here, they're calling this the deluxe sample size. There's 4 in here. And the person who is the celebrity they're saying this is her brand. It's saying her name is Becky G. She is from Latina heritage. They're saying this collection is a matte and shimmer eyeshadow. They are richly pigmented and glides on like butter. Thanks to the skin softening blue agave nectar that is sourced from Mexico. They're saying layering and blending these shades using your favorite shadow brush to create an eye look for work, weekend, and everything in between. It's also vegan friendly and 100% cruelty free, so it's never tested on animals. They're saying about the brand is founded by an artist, actress, activist, and glam queen. Her name is Becky G. Tresluce Beauty celebrates the Latina culture through vibrant and high quality makeup. So we're gonna open this up, and there is the safety shield here, and these are the gorgeous shades that are inside. There's no mirror on the other side. This is looks like 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So let's do some swatching. So I will take the 2 on the top, which are these 2 right here. Look at that color. Is that not stunning? Okay, remember the shimmers that are on my hand have nothing to do with this palette. And that is what those look like here. And then the bottom 2, oh, they are beautiful. Look at this, literally one swipe. Stunning. Like I said, I have not been disappointed with any products or brands that have been through the affiliation and the manufacturing done by this Made It Collective, which is an Ipsy company. Complex Culture, blown away. This brand, everything I've tried, and now their shadows, I'm blown away. And Item Beauty, I have almost every single one of their products, and I'm enjoying them so much. So that was my next item. And then the last item, you knew that I could not resist. I share with you all the times in the add-ons and when this product becomes available. It is from this brand called Context Skin. They have always in the $3 or now $3.50 section, a $3.50 section. This is this brand called Context, and it is always full size. They're lip products. Their matte lipsticks are more, they're creamy, they're just matte in finish. I have so many shades that I had to check if I didn't have this one, and I was so excited that I didn't, so I was able to add it to my cart. Because when I get duplicates, even in bags or boxes, you know that shows up in my giveaways, because I cannot wait to share about this brand with you guys. When I looked up this brand, when I got it my first time, I was shocked that it was full size and that this had a value of $20, and we were getting it in the $3 section at that time. They also have some balms from this brand that are also just as beautiful. So if you get an opportunity to try any lip product, be it this lipstick or the balms, in that $3 or $3.50 section, to me, it is 100%. So this one here is a matte lipstick, and the name is called Los Angeles. This is full size, it is $20. They're saying it is a soft matte lipstick that helps nourish, comfort, and hydrate your lips while delivering long-lasting, non-drying color in a light medium coral, which is so the colors that I love. They're saying swipe it on bare lips or wear it over your favorite lip pencil. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, this brand. And it says if you love clean beauty, then you will love Context Skin. They're saying their line of skincare products derived from natural ingredients. I have not tried any other products besides the balms and these lipsticks. But like I said, do not stay away from it when you hear the word matte, because it's only in the finish. It goes on very beautifully. It goes on without it being that type that are those matte liquid lipsticks that dry everything out. It doesn't. It goes on creamy almost, but leaves like a matte finish. And that is the gorgeous bullet in here. Like I said, they are full size. The way that it is curved when you first get this is perfect. It's like it hugs your lips like perfect. Like I said, I'm so impressed with this brand, and I was so excited when I saw it was a shade that I didn't already have. I will do a couple of, so you can see how intense you can make it, or if you want it a little bit lighter. So that is one swipe here, and that is going over and over. It is so smooth to the touch to your lips. When I put it on, it's like putting on a cream. But like I said, when you read matte, it is solely on the finish, so it won't be shiny. And then if you want to add extra shine, which sometimes I do, I'll put a gloss on top. But like I said, the comfort on your lips, you will not get anything better than this. So that's why I enjoy Ipsy, and I'm so sold on Ipsy. Is these are brands that I never saw advertisements about, never read in the beauty magazines. Then they show up in the bag and you get to try it, and then you fall in love. So now this is one of my go-tos whenever I want a long-lasting, non-drying, beautiful matte finish. I gravitate towards this more so than my MAC Cosmetics. So to me, this is an absolute winner, and I want to make sure that everybody knows about this, and especially when you see it in our Ipsy add-ons in those $3 sections, or in flash sales that are 2 for $5 and things like that. So I share all that information with you when we do those type of videos, but I want to make sure that you guys know, if you're just watching me here, besides my unboxings, I try to share if I find out spoilers. I always like to say that if I know something, I want you guys to know it too. But as we go through add-ons and flash sales and all of that, when we go through it all, I'm sharing with you when I've had the opportunity to try a product, if it was one that I would highly recommend or one that just didn't work for me. But when it does work for me, I want you guys to know about it as well, because to be able to get a $20 lipstick for $3 or $3.50, to me, that is a steal, and it is one that we get to all be able to afford and enjoy. And that's why I enjoy my Ipsy so much, and that's why I always tell you guys that if you don't know where to start, I always say start with the Ipsy subscription, the $13 one, because you'll get products like this sometimes in that bag, and if not, you might get it as a choice item, and it is a full size. So to me, Ipsy is a brand that, like I said, when I moved to United States, it was the first thing that I subscribed to. I was so excited to be able to see if I was finally going to be in one place, not traveling as much as I used to, but it was small enough that it would fit in the mailbox and things like that. That was what I wanted, and it ended up being my entrance into starting the channel, sharing about this brand, sharing about the products, because I could not wait to when these boxes and bags arrived to be able to share them with you guys. And that's everything I have for today. So please share with me in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that I have mentioned, and especially if you're familiar with some lines that are brand new to me, like the Winky Lux, like this Erborian, as well as Tresluce. And if you've had the opportunity to get a contact skin lip product, I would love to know that as well. And that's it for today. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.